The myth of the perfect idea. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur struggling to come up with the perfect business idea? Do you believe that your success hinges on finding the one big idea that will change the world? Well, here's a secret. There's no such thing as the perfect idea. Successful businesses aren't built on one perfect idea. They're built on a series of small ideas that evolve over time. Your initial idea is just the starting point. As you test your product or service in the market, you'll discover what works and what doesn't. You'll have to pivot and adjust your strategy based on customer feedback and market trends. The key to success is not to obsess over finding the perfect idea, but to keep generating ideas and testing them until you find the right fit. Remember, investors aren't looking for the perfect idea. They're looking for a team that is adaptable, persistent, and passionate. So stop stressing about finding the perfect idea and start focusing on building a solid foundation for your business. Success comes from hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace failure and learn from your mistakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on debunking common business myths.